Hi, Roy.
Yo, what's up?
What you doing?
I'm cooking for the next item. In fact, sad. I'm cooking because I'm fucking hungry.
No, don't answer. In fact, sad.
Cooking because I'm hungry.
What do you call that? What's that?
This is what you call a chicken chow mein.
Oh, for real?
You stir fry noodles.
So you can really cook there. Who taught you how to cook?
Me, bro.
Huh?
It's the oaking.
The Oaking.
None other but.
Why are you looking peeled?
Because when you're cooking good stuff like this, you have to concentrate.
You have to concentrate.
Damn right.
Here it is, everybody. The meal of the year. Dum dum dum. That actually looks really nice. Wow.
She's powdered. Don't listen to this.
Tickle, tickle. Love it. Hi, Roy.
What's up?
Bye.
Oh, bye. Bye.
Dip.
Terrific, say.
Book out.
Hit the road.